we have The Wanderer. This is a world which is full of war and violence. Our main character here is an outcast. No one wants him to live. Everyone wants him to just go and die. Because of this attitude, the main character grows up and becomes a cold-blooded killer. Whenever he enters the battlefield, the opponent shout, his people shout that the demon has arrived, the devil has appeared, and even some people shout that the monster is here. Because no matter how strong the enemy is, he always fights till the end and returns with the head of the enemy. The art of this manhwa is super awesome, and the most interesting thing about this manhwa is the main character. Because he does not beat people, he does not give them warnings. The only thing he does is kill them. If anyone messes with him, the next thing that awaits them is their death. Number 9 on our list is Lord of the Mysteries. Waking up to be faced with a string of mysteries, Zhou Mingrui finds himself reincarnated as Clan Moretti in an alternate Victoria-era world. This world is filled with machinery, cannons, airships, different machines, as well as potions, divination, hexes, tarot cards, and sealed artifacts. The plot and the art of this manhwa are totally out of the world. They are so good. If you have read the light novel of this manhwa, then you are going to love this one. Because the author has created a masterpiece. While reading this, you will think that everything is happening in front of you. It will feel so realistic. The world building will feel so realistic. I definitely recommend you to read this manhwa and then give the light novel a try. Number 8 on our list is Becoming the Slayer God. When countless of my classmates were addicted to the super popular game Battle of the Gods, I was not tempted. This game is highly realistic, based off powerful historical generals and mythical figures where they battle against each other. Your potential determines your fate, and the winner becomes the king, while those who are defeated eat dust. But one day, the main character tries this game and he gets a message. Analysis failed. Wait, what is the situation? Is it a bug? The profile cannot be matched with a character. Congratulations on triggering the game's hidden story. And then everything happened. The main character accidentally opened it. If you are expecting an overpowered main character, then sorry to disappoint you, but we are going to get a weak main character. But you know what? If the main character is weak, then we have something known as character development in the story. So as you keep going through the chapters, you will see how the weak main character develops himself and becomes overpowered in the game. Number 7 on our list is a diamond manhwa known as Da Xiang Wu Xing. The other name for this manhwa is Taoist. Okay, so I will give you a short summary. In this world, we have spirits, ghosts, demons, monsters, etc. And our main character here is a boy who is a Taoist. You can say he is an exorcist. He is super overpowered, as well as he is badass. And also our main character is dense when it comes to girls, because he lived in the mountains, so we cannot blame him for that. It currently has only 30 chapters and it was updated in November 2020. But the season 2 is going to start in March 2021. So just wait for a little bit and you are going to get a lot of action. The art of this manhwa is super awesome and the story is also very good. Number 6 on our list is World's Apocalypse Online. This manhwa is new and is one of my favorite manhwas. I can call it the next Solo Leveling. The world is filled by demons and monsters, and the main character being the last survivor and the last hope of humanity, the strongest person alive, goes to kill the demon lord. And he finally kills him. But at that time, he also dies. But when he opens his eyes, he sees himself reincarnated back to the past. Now, you will think that what is interesting about this story? It is the same typical reincarnation in the past type story. But that is not the case. What if I tell you that we have cultivation in this manhwa, we have a system in this manhwa, the art here is on par with Solo Leveling, and we have double isekai in this manhwa. The best thing about this manhwa is the main character itself. He is not your average main character, no. He is very intelligent, smart, and a overpowered person. Number 5 on our list is Max Level Returner. A total of 120 million people disappeared from all over the world. In 22 years, Yeon Sang-hyuk, who is our main character, was finally able to beat the most atrocious survival game. The man who became the one-man army and the strongest out of all the other players, he had finally returned back to reality. And not just that, but he came back with a reward that nobody had ever received before. He is known as the Masked Monarch, and the strongest person with the highest level 300 that no one has ever achieved. But later did the main character realize that he was not able to beat the Demon Lord, and because of that he was given another chance, and he is going to grab this chance, gather allies and make the world much more stronger and powerful in order to fight the demons and monsters. And yes, the main character here is very intelligent, smart, overpowered. The art of this manhwa is very awesome, as you can see on the screen. But I believe that most of you have already read it, and those who have not read it, then make sure to try it. Number 4 on our list is Ascension to Godhood by Slaying Demons. After being abducted to the spirit world, a young boy awakens his powers of divinity by accessing Nirvana. Together with his younger twin sister, they explore this mysterious world, study Taoism, get stronger, assist gods, make friends, solve mysteries, and become the #1 demon-slaying god. The main character is weak at the start of this manhwa, but as you keep reading, you will see that the main character becomes stronger and stronger after each chapter. This manhwa was dropped, but now it is picked up once again and we are going to get a lot of chapters. Number 3 on our list is The Boy of Death. Lee Kyung-ho's mind was filled with ending his life due to bullying and the loss of his mother. He attempts to commit suicide but is saved. His determination to commit suicide somehow entices Sira, a Grim Reaper, who later offers him a contract. Now this contract blesses him with the ability to borrow the powers of the dead, but in return he has to sacrifice a few years of his own lifespan. For the sake of attaining what he wishes for, our main character agrees to this proposal. The story and the art of this manhwa are super awesome, so make sure to give it a try. Number 2 on our list is Arcane Sniper. The sharpshooter Ha Lee Ha simply wanted to be a part of the army forever. However, due to an unfortunate accident, he becomes paralyzed and was tossed back into the society. But at the same time, a revolutionary VR game presented a new life to him, because not only can he move his body freely in the game, he can shoot bullets, he can walk, he can run, and the most important thing is that the money obtained in the game has real world value. Now he has only one mission, and that is to collect money for the operation through this game. But accidentally he chose the lowest tier character. At the start he was feeling sad, but then he said, I am not like the others, this is all I have. Black gunpowder, iron balls and ramrods. I will show you all what a real musketeer is. This manhwa is very good. This manhwa will fill you with motivation. This manhwa has a beautiful art and the main character is very likable. This manhwa might be new and might have a few chapters, but these chapters are super long chapters. On number 1, we have Ranker's Return. Melee God was the strongest ranked player. He deleted his character and suddenly left. But after a few years, in order to restore his bankrupt family, he returned to the virtual reality game Arena. He created a new character. No one knows that he is actually Melee God. Everyone thinks of him as a newbie. They underestimate our main character. The art of this manhwa is super good, and our main character here is very clever and manipulative. He is smart, overpowered and super badass.